Right, place value of 9-digit numbers. Now we can see that the place value chart is a lot bigger than the chart where we use it only for 6-digit numbers. So the ones that are known to us by now are the two first groups of 3 digits, so the units and the thousands. But now the next group of 3 digits will be representing the millions. Okay, so we know it's the units, tens, and hundreds. Then we've got the thousands, 10,000, 100,000s, and now we have the millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Right, so then we're going to look at the examples that I've got here. At the bottom, so 9-digit numbers, you will see the last one is a 9-digit number because we have 9 digits. But then we've got the first number here, we have the 4 in the place of the million. So that's when we start with the third group of 3 digits. Right. Now let's go to the place value table. So the 5 represents the units. The 2 represents the tens, which is actually 20. The 1 represents the hundreds, which is 100. The value of the 7 is 7,000, so it will be here by the thousands. The value of the 3 is 30,000, which places it in the column where it goes by the 10,000s. The 6 represents the 100,000s. And then the 4 will be in the new group under millions. So this is 4,637,125. And we don't say units at the end because it's not necessary. Right, then the next example, 25,874,361. So now start with the lowest value again. So we start with a 1 for the units, 6 for the tens, 3 for the hundreds, then the 4 for the thousands, 7 for the 10,000s, 8 for the 100,000s, and now entering the new group, 5 for millions, and the 2 is for the 10 millions. So this is really 20 million. This is 5,800,000, 70,000, 4,000, 300, 60, and 1. So if we read the number by itself, 25 million. Remember that the line divides the groups. So when we read them in groups of 3. So 25,874,361. Okay, now we end off with the last one. So this is the 9-digit number. So the 1 representing the units, the 5 representing the tens, 7 representing the hundreds, then the 1 representing the thousands, 8 representing 10,000s, 4 representing 100,000s, 5 representing the millions, 0, no, 10 millions, and then the last, the biggest value, 3 representing the 100 million. So if we read this as a number again, I want you to make groups of 3. So 305 million. The next group of 3, 481,000, and then 751.